Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a cute chicken on Dress to Impress. So you're going to color your skin white and you're going to put on this cupcake costume. Just going to color everything white as well, like so. Then you're going to go to the dressing rooms and hopefully you've claimed the April Fool's chicken feet because you're gonna need it. I'm just going to color it orange. Do chickens have nails? Should I color it all orange? Color it all orange. I'm gonna just leave the nails like that. It's cute. Anyways, we are going to use the hot dog costume. We're going to color it white and white except for this, for the beak. You'll see later. And then we're going to select these like puffy sleeves and we're going to color it black. Then we're going to get the pumpkin for the final piece of resistance. I don't know how you can pronounce that, but we're going to color it red. And then I think I'm going to color the stem red as well. I don't know. Put it on your head and voila, super cute chicken. I actually don't know what to color the stem, but it looks cute either way. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.